Guess what we're cooking today? Spicy motherfucking noodles. Yes. My son loves this shit. He's been eating this shit for many motherfucking years. I don't know how that kid handle all that heat like me. But just know he got it from his mama and not his weak ass daddy. Okay? I call this my lazy meal, but it's simple and it's really good. I got some cilantro, cucumbers, shrimp, Vietnamese pork meatloaf. Right here, you can eat it in pho, banh can, and it's in banh mi too. The banh mi sandwiches, the Vietnamese sandwiches, so good. I got some more fucking eggs. Kid's gonna be farting like a motherfucker. And some green onions. Some of this beef smoked sausage. I usually use kielbasa, but this will do. And these. When you open the pack, it has some seasoning in it, and these two things right here. This and this. And I love these noodles too. I've been eating it for like a long ass time. Boil it. Literally, every time I go to the store, that's all he wants. Is spicy noodles, spicy noodles, spicy noodles. This kid been eating spicy noodles for a long time. For many years, like I said. Like he was like 6 years old. That boy is 11 years old now. And let this cook down and soften up. Depends on how you like your noodles. But I like mine really soggy. Drop the eggs in here. Oh shit. I hope that shit didn't break. Leave it in for a little bit because I want my eggs yolky. You'll see. Okay. Leave it in here for like 5 minutes. So we're going for a yolky egg. Air fry these sausages. There you go. Air fry these till it gets really crispy on the outside. Drain your noodles. Woo! Now we're gonna mince some garlic and chop it up because I love garlic. Okay. Just a little bit so we can saute that with some with the shrimp. Add a little bit of oil, garlic. Shrimps in. A nice garlicky flavor. That's how it should look like. Put it to the side. With the eggs. How jiggly it is. Sausage is done. I sure did drop that motherfucker in the pot too damn hard. It's yolky. Yummy. Throw the sauce in there. Squeeze that all out. Make sure you mix it up really good like this. First. Slice my green onions so pretty like this. Cilantro. Cucumbers. Let's assemble our plate. Sausages. Meatloaf. Cucumbers. Green onions. Cilantro. Bam. Okay, look at our spicy noodles. Yep, I bust that yolk wide open. It's good, monkey? He didn't say a damn thing. This boy going in. Jesus. Good. But yes, I love all my veggies. So good. Your Vietnamese pork meatloaf. You just want to blanch it for a couple minutes. Air fried my sausages. Stir fried my shrimp. Yes, sir. Egg first. Cut my scallions this way. It's pretty. So good. I always eat my spicy noodle like this because I'm so extra. Oh, God. And cucumbers go so well with spicy noodles. I'm sweating. This shit is so good. So good. Not spicy? My son said it's not spicy. I don't know what's wrong with him. Told you that's my kid, y'all. My monkey almost done. You sweating too.
No.
Boy. I said monkey, not you. Boy, he fucked that up. Sheesh. Damn. Yep. Oh my God. Look at my yolk. Oh my God.